Hey guys, it's Mark here. Got our new shower, got our new big heavy glass doors. I was told I need to use a squeegee, so make sure, go buy yourself a good quality one. Start at the top, get it squeegee down. Okay, I'm gonna do this over here. Oh, there we go, look at that. Like $1,000,000, okay? Make sure after you shower, tell the kids if they use a shower, squeegee that glass off so it doesn't get any buildup, okay? Well, it's a little dry there. Alright, so, and then also, get a little bit on the tile. Go ahead and squeegee your tile down, okay? Your floor is going to stay wet. What I recommend is make sure you leave the door open, okay? After you're done showering, so this eventually starts to dry out. If you don't have too many things like in this shower here, if you have your stuff up here, like your soap and stuff, if not, you can squeegee that down, okay? We put a little shaving curb for the ladies at the bottom here. That also is gonna get a little water in it. Kind of pull that water out of there if you'd like, so it doesn't sit. Clean off the bottom, and voila, you're all done. But go get yourself a nice new squeegee, okay? Thanks again for joining us.